Hadin pun senam baka skul Savio Secondary School Umjarasi Nongpo kal ai ke jeng syakri syagi kena skul leng baka puli putih menta kasni ke arpulai trik kola lengkot R.H. R.B kawai ke company nepo Shipho Mer R.B District ka bala tip kon kerteng kom ke Excel Foods kal ai senyang arset ki komputer syakni ke skul ringkat bat ujing bam kiko padai ke druk kesin ke baningkong bagi yok komputer ha kini ke skul haba yok banyakran bat kal lucky money das ke badai ke human resource jong keniga company kalau ang bak keniga kesin ke beningkong hapok ke sornong po panok senyang dagi komputer syapok ke skul bat syuk kalau ang bala dan kumbasau ni santri ke skul ki badan hapok R.B District kilan yok senyang dagi komputer syah ke skul ke headmistress jong ke skul Savio Secondary School Umjarasi Nongpo ke kong Margaret Jarwah kalau penpau ke jong songwo ya ke company Excel Foods ke bala nok senyang dagi komputer hapok ke skul bat ki kena skul kin yok banyak pendan kami ya ke komputer kat kum kejuk ke pementa kalau orang ru badai lengba ke jeng ya sengau ke jangkana ke sokar jala badan ki company bala ban kener ki jingiarap syagi skul lengba kino ke jingiarap.
We are coming from Excel Foods, 10 Mile GS Road. Our brand is Yummy Kiko and Kolji. We donate here to desktop, and every month we are going given all river district school.
On behalf of Savio RCP School, I the headmistress of the Savio. I'm very grateful to the Yummy company for giving us 2 set of computer, as we have asked a donation that we would like to start our basic introduction of learning computer for our students from class 5 to class 8. So thank you for your gift or donation, and with this we'll start to give a small learning or a small start of computer to our students. So thank you.